Holistic health and personal growth changed my life. And today I'm going to share with you my story and 3 tips on how you can start your journey on this wonderful path to health, wealth, and 100% self love, which is like the best thing that anyone could ever do for themselves. Hello, my darling, and welcome to my channel where we deep dive into the world of holistic health and personal growth. I'm Amor, and I am here to share with you my tools, insights, and experiences that helped me on my transformation journey. Whether you are starting fresh or you're looking to deepen your journey, you are in the right place. So, as always, stay happy, stay healthy, and without further ado, let us jump in to the good stuff. I started this journey because I saw a lot of people in my life get really sick and die. And it just seemed to me that the people who they paid a lot of money to help them get better just didn't actually have any solutions. So luckily for me, the internet was something that I could use growing up, and I was able to research and find alternatives and actually really deep dive into the science behind these illnesses to figure out what was the root cause and then share the solutions that I found with anyone and everyone who was willing to listen, which is unfortunately not a lot of people in my life. So that's why I'm making these videos, because I feel like, after 10 years of researching, over 10 years actually, of researching about this stuff, like, it would be nice to put it to use. Um, so yeah. Um, and also I struggled with mental health and also physical health issues myself, and managed to basically heal myself without the use of doctors and medicine, because as I said before, all they ever did was give me pills, prescribe me stuff that only ever gave me more issues in the end anyways. It destroyed my gut microbiome and also sent my hormones completely out of whack. So my hormonal system was deteriorating because of their medication, and also my gut, it just didn't, like, it solved one thing and then gave me another problem that then I had to solve with more of their medicine, but then that also gave me another problem. So it's like, it was just one of these like horrible kind of downward spiral situations. And I just pulled myself out of it because I was like, yeah, it's not working. It didn't work for me, it's not working for the people around me, so there has to be another solution, right? So that's how I basically got into this field of knowledge or whatever. And now I'm really thriving. I'm not like 100% there. I don't really think anyone ever is. Um, but I'm a lot happier than I used to be. I am a lot more capable than I used to be. I understand things a lot more than I used to. And I have a lot more tools and solutions, than I've ever had before, because this is a constant journey of researching and experimenting on myself and trying things. So, yeah, so welcome to one of my earliest videos, and I hope that you join me and stay with me on this journey so that we can, like, do this thing together, because I am by no means at the end of my journey at all. Like, I've literally just only scratched the surface. So yeah, that's me. And now on to you. My first tip is to find something that you can do every day to improve your self-care. Just one thing, okay? Just one thing that you can do every day where you can show yourself some love and show up for yourself. Because you don't want to overwhelm yourself with 100 things that you need to do every day. Just pick one thing, make it a habit, And then once it's become super natural to you, like breathing, um, then you can introduce another habit. But yes, that is my first tip. My second tip. My second tip is to practice the art of non-judgment. That means not judging anybody around you, not judging yourself. Once you notice yourself having a judgmental thought, balance it out with an opposing thought. So you just, switch it up. For example, you see someone that you don't think is particularly good looking, and you don't have a very nice thought in your head. So maybe they don't dress very well, and you think, why on earth did they wear that, ensemble that just looks really, like you just notice yourself judging what they're wearing. The way that you can change that around is by finding something about them that you do really, really like. Like maybe they have really beautiful eyes, or they have great skin, or a great smile, or great energy, or they have really nice hair, or maybe you don't like their entire outfit, but they have really nice shoes, or they have their nails done really nicely. Anything at all that you can find that is really nice and loving, if you can find just any point of them that you can send love to, do that. So, because you sent them bad energy, now you're going to balance it out by sending them good energy. Okay? This is not to say that when you send someone good energy, you need to send them bad energy. No. If you just notice yourself judging and saying something internally in your head mean about someone, find something nice to say to them in your head. Do it that way. Okay? And then practice this with yourself. If you find yourself saying things like, oh, I'm so stupid. Why did I say that? Why did I do this? Find something loving to say to yourself so you can balance it out. And then just watch your mood and your vibe and just your overall experience of life change. Okay? This is a nice way to elevate your energy, elevate your frequency, and it really does feel good to not look at people and, think horrible things about them. Because I used to be one of those people that was, really, really harsh. And then I noticed actually I'm harsh on other people and I'm really harsh on myself. So when I stopped being judgmental and harsh on other people, I actually stopped being judgmental and harsh on myself, which is a really good feeling because there's going to be enough people in the world that are going to put you down and say shitty things to you. You don't need to be an extra person in that group of people. So, yes. And my third tip is to just be kind to yourself. There are going to be days when you just feel, tired and off, and maybe something has been very emotionally triggering for you or physically draining. Whatever it is, there might be days where you just don't really feel like it and you just want to be a little gremlin in a cave and just, that's me, that's not you. You might be a little, fairy in her fairy house or something. I am the gremlin. Um, but yeah, just be kind to yourself. You're not always going to be there 100%, but it's not about being 100%. If you fall off the wagon, cut yourself some slack. We all fall off the wagon, myself included. Something that's really helpful is the 3-day rule. So you don't go more than 3 days without doing the habit that you're trying to make a habit, whether it's intermittent fasting, whether it's a breathing exercise, whether it's meditation or prayer, or it's going to the gym, or, whatever it is that you're trying to do, just don't go more than 3 days without doing it, and you will be just fine. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these tips have inspired you to continue or to start on your journey. If there's anything in particular that you would like me to make a video about, comment down below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. That would really help me out. I will be filming more videos and releasing them every week with more tips, more advice, more story sharing, and things like that. Remember, stay happy, stay healthy. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.